Thanks for enrolling into this course. To get started, you should have a text editor for you to edit your HTML files. If you have one already, it is perfectly fine. If you do not have, I will now recommend one to you. Now, open the browser and go to Google and search for Sublime Text Free. You will see the download link here. You enter the download page. For Mac users, you can download the OS X versions. For Windows user, you can download one of these. Depends on your Windows version. So, click to download it. Install the files. And after you install it, you can see Sublime Text. You open Sublime Text. And now, you open the skeleton code by pressing Files, Open. Double-click the files I uploaded, and then now you can see the contents of the file inside Sublime Text. Currently, you don't have to worry what are these codes. I will explain this in the next class. But what I want to make sure is that you are able to edit the HTML file and open it in the browser. Now, go to line 7. You type in something, for example, blah blah blah. Just randomly type something. I want to make sure you can edit the file. Now, save the file with File, Save, or Command S in Mac or Control S in Windows. Now, go back to your folder. Right-click on the HTML skeleton.html and open it with a Chrome browser. And now, you can see blah 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 or what you type in your Sublime Text editor. So if you are able to see the text you typed in, you are ready to go. We'll see you in the next class. Thanks for watching.